Do you guys know that 25 million people across this world might lose their job during corona pandemic? Are you also confused? Are you worried about the security of your future? Hi, my name is Jasmeet and I'm the Youth Success Mentor in India. And today, through this audio, I want to give you a value that if you will think about, you will be able to pivot your career successfully and safely. Now, with every changing time, there are four E's that we have to keep in mind. And these four E's are in the context of the skills that every industry requires or demand, right? So let's get started. The first E is eroding skills. Now, there might be skills that you were using before Corona that will erode absolutely after the Corona pandemic will get over, right? Rather, it happens in certain industries more, right? For example, IT. There are so many skills which get eroded by time, right? So you have to figure out what is the eroding skill in your industry, and you have to absolutely leave that for the second E, which we call as emerging skills. From eroding skills, you have to come to emerging skills. Everything that is digital is emerging, right? We have completely changed our way of interacting and meeting people on Zoom meetings through online medium, right? So everything that is digital and technology enabled will be emerging in the times to come, right? So you have to understand that in your industry, what is the technology that you can learn? Can give you an example. For example, in the training and development industry, learning how to conduct an online session is an emerging skill, right? So you can relate to emerging skills in your industry. The third E is enduring skills. No matter whatever the change or whatever the times, there are certain skills which endure. Networking skills, your ability to build relationships, your ability to sell if you are a good salesperson, your ability to speak, communicate. These are all skills that endure with time, with changes. And the fourth, the last E is eternal skills. And eternal skills is adaptability skill, your ability to adapt to times quickly, your resilience to adapt and move forward quickly, right? So the adaptability example here is to figure out what are the emerging skills quickly, acquire them, and keep moving forward. I hope this conversation created value in your life. This is the time to learn. This is the time to leave our past and move forward, because somewhere Corona has all leveled us up and we are all beginning fresh. I really wish you great luck, and I will hope that you create amazing, successful careers. Thank you very much.